In the last 7 days, I have made $21,000 on this YouTube channel. And no, this is not fake. I'm gonna go down to settings. I'm not gonna do any cuts, any edits. I'm gonna go to my currency. I'm gonna change this to Ugandan shillings. You can see it changes to whatever that amount is. And if I go back to settings, change it back to USD, you can see that it's $21,000. But this YouTube channel is in the celebrity news niche. And what's going on with celebrities right now? The P Diddy Trial. This is so stupid, dude. This is the last time I'm gonna do this. And I say that because 7 months ago, I posted this YouTube video where I show how I made $38,000 in 9 days posting videos about P Diddy getting arrested. And in that video, I said this: if Diddy ends up going to trial and that trial is broadcasted, I'm talking about over $70,000 every single month. You see? I literally fucking told you guys. But this time, I'm actually posting this early because the trial just started 6 days ago and it's going to continue for 8 weeks. And listen, I know a lot of you are still super sketched out that I give away all of this information, especially right now, this being so early. But the only reason I'm showing all of this is because I know what it feels like. A little over 8 years ago, I was a college dropout, a dishwasher, and a failed YouTuber. And I just couldn't figure out YouTube. And I needed YouTube to work. And there was no way to get help. If there was someone trying to help, they would charge thousands of dollars for one-on-one mentorship. And out of hate, desperation, frustration, I made this promise.
If we ever blow up, we have to help other small YouTubers blow, bro. Nobody
Sucks,
wants to help you.
Yeah.
No YouTubers want to help you. It's like every man for himself.
So yeah, it's that promise. So every time I'm about to post a video, I make sure that it's something that I would have wanted to see when I was first starting out. Now, before I begin, I know not everybody here knows what YouTube automation is, so I'm gonna explain it. And I'm gonna actually use this channel as an example. Since I started this YouTube channel, I have made over $1 million. And I never showed my face, I never used my voice, I didn't write any scripts, I didn't do anything besides actually post a video. So all I'm doing is just using AI tools to create these videos. Now, if you're still confused, I'm going to play 10 seconds of one of my YouTube videos so you get an idea of what it looks like.
Number 5. Giada De Laurentiis. While Ellen DeGeneres does like to put her own style and flair into what goes on her show, that doesn't mean she can't do tropes of the business, like bringing in celebrity chefs.
And yeah, that's what the videos look like. And if you're curious, that video got 6.9 million views and that paid me $34,000. Now, a very common question I get as well is how much does YouTube pay in the celebrity news niche? So for the RPM, which means how much YouTube pays me per 1,000 views, for those of you that don't know, is $10.38. And here at the bottom, you can see how much each individual video paid me. So in the last 7 days, there has been one video that paid me $8,000. So that video is kind of carrying the week. But anyways, pull out your notebooks because we're about to start. But first, I would appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. Now wait, before you start making these videos, just know that there's rules you have to follow. And if you don't follow these rules, you're going to get terminated. Right now, it's very hard to make videos about the Diddy topic. And that's because of what it's about. It's not a advertiser-friendly topic. So you need to make sure that there's nothing bad in the script. So the rule is, if you wouldn't show your video to a class of 4th graders, maybe don't post it. Go back and censor it a little bit more. So yes, there is a guideline for this. Now I can't explain that in this video because of the vulgar language I have to use, but if you're ready to hop on, you can click the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comments. There you're going to see my school community. This is where I give out all of the information about this. The next thing is copyright. This is another very common question about YouTube automation. Just keep it under 7 seconds. After 7 seconds, you gotta switch the visuals to something else. And doing this for the entire video is the only way that you're going to avoid copyright besides filming it yourself. And this goes across the board for any niche on YouTube. That's how you get away with it. And by the way, it's completely legal. You don't need permits or anything. That's because it's transformative content. That's why I was allowed to use those clips from the Ellen DeGeneres show, because every 7 seconds, there was a transition. But anyways, back on topic. The first thing we're going to do is start with the script. And to do this, we're going to use ChatGPT. Now, when you're on ChatGPT, it's very important that on the top left, you change the version to 03. It's just the best one for script writing. Now, obviously, we can't just tell ChatGPT to write a script about what's going on. We have to feed it information. So go on Google and search up Diddy News. Every single day, someone is testifying, giving out new information. So 6 hours ago, NBC News posted this. I'm gonna go ahead and click on it. And oh boy. Yeah, I mean, now you understand why I said it's a very dangerous topic. What the fuck? I don't want to sign up to Diddy. Can I not leave this? Okay, maybe not NBC then. How about ABC? Now, I'm going to go ahead and open up a blank Google Doc. From here, I'm going to start copy pasting the entire article onto this doc. Like this. Just the whole thing, right? just like that. I'm gonna do the entire thing, and there we go. Boom. Copy pasted the entire thing, and it's actually pretty long. It's 3,300 words, so that's more than enough. Now, before we copy paste this entire thing onto ChatGPT, we need to give it a prompt. So in the description of this video, you're going to see a Google Drive link, and that's going to take you to my personal prompt. This prompt will tell ChatGPT to rewrite the article in a professional, original way, and it should censor all of the bad words, but you still want to triple check. So from here, I'm going to copy this prompt, I'm going to feed it to ChatGPT, and then I'm going to click enter. Then it responded with, yes, I understand. So we can go back to the doc and copy paste the entire thing. Boom. And then we paste it on ChatGPT like that. Cool. Now we just wait. So now ChatGPT is giving us sections of what it's going to write about. This is what the prompt instructed it to do. So since we're making long form videos, that means that the videos have to be over 8 minutes. And ChatGPT can't necessarily give you a full 8-minute long script without shortening it or having all sorts of issues. So the solution to that was this prompt. After it gives you each section, what you're going to do is say, starts with the hook and intro. That's it. Then we're gonna go back to Google Docs. We're gonna open a clean one. Okay, the script that we copied from ChatGPT, or the article, sorry, we no longer need that, so we can exit out. As for the ChatGPT prompt, we can also exit out of that. And now we just have our good old plain Google Doc. So we're gonna go back to ChatGPT, and it just wrote that entire intro. So we're gonna copy that, paste it onto the doc, scroll up, see what section is next, obviously, section 1. So we're gonna tell ChatGPT, start with section 1. Now we wait, and boom, there we go. Then obviously we would copy the entire thing and paste it onto the Google Doc. And then from here, say start section 2, 3, 4, all the way until the script is fully complete. Or if it's too long, no Diddy, you can go to tools, word count, and make sure that you hit 2,300 words. And that should be way more than enough. So cool, let's go ahead and say I instructed ChatGPT to do all of the sections and that this is a complete script. Now, just by looking at this, I can already tell you that this script is not gonna slide. Look at the words. No, this is a big no. This is not allowed and it must be censored. So you're definitely gonna have to manually censor these scripts. But anyways, once you do that, you have a full original script. Now, step number 2 is gonna be creating the audio, which is the voice commentator. And for that, you're going to use 11 Labs. Now, once you create an 11 Labs account, you're gonna see this. You're gonna wanna head to the left side of your screen, click on voices, then make sure you click on library here at the top. And then in these little circles here, you're gonna see a play button. When you click on that, you're gonna hear a demo of the voice.
Tonight, we investigate True Crime UK.
Oi, bloody hell, mate. So I'm gonna use the British man, but you obviously want to find a voice that matches the theme of what's happening. So you want it to sound kind of like a news broadcaster. But I'm just gonna fuck around here and just use this one. Now, once you find a voice you want to use, you're gonna go ahead and click add on the right side. And when you click on that, you're gonna see it convert to a button that says use. Go ahead and click on that. Once you do that, it's going to take you here, which is pretty much the last step, because what you have to do from here is go to your script, obviously fully censored, fully ready, and just copy the first paragraph, paste it on here, and then click generate speech at the bottom.
Imagine cracking open a billionaire's bedroom closet and half-empty bottles of baby oil. That jarring image.
Cool, that sounds good. So once you're happy with it, all you have to do is click download on the bottom right, and it's going to download for you. And from here, you would just go back to your script, start copy pasting each paragraph into there, and downloading them. So there we go. Just like that, you have a full original script and you have a full original audio. It's that easy. Now, the last step to this is editing. This one you can't really use AI for. It's just not there yet. But you do have multiple options. Option 1 is to do it yourself. And listen, if you're not a computer tech or you've never edited anything before in your life, trust me, it is way easier than it sounds. In my school community, I have taught complete beginners how to edit, and these are beginners from all ages. It takes about 1 week to fully understand how to edit and be relatively fast. But again, that's option 1. But option 2 is hiring someone on websites like Fiverr or Upwork. These are freelancers that will charge you, $20, $25 for a full complete video. And as for the thumbnail, same thing. You can either hire someone on Fiverr to do it for you, or you can join my school community. And in my school community, you're gonna find a full blueprint that's going to take you step by step on how to start a YouTube automation channel. You also get access to my tutorial vault. This is where you're gonna find over 50 videos where I go in extreme detail on how to do YouTube automation. Everything that I've learned in the last 8 years is here for you. But I also provide pre-done thumbnail PNGs, so all you have to do is click and download. But the best part is that I go live 2 times every single week. And this is where I speak with you directly, answer any questions you have, review your channels, whatever it is, you can ask me in that call. And yes, there's actually a few people here winning off of Diddy videos already. For example, Marco's here. He started posting his same Diddy videos in a different language, and he's already made $175 in the first 4 days. So this channel is going to blow up. We have members like Omar that just hit monetization today. We have members like Aiden that just got their first 10,000 viewed video. We have another member, David, that just got monetized today. We have this member, Saif, that made $10,000 in 28 days. Look at that. So that's in the last 7 days. This is in the last 28 days. But yeah, there's a lot of wins in this community, especially right now. So if you're ready to pull the trigger and start your own YouTube automation channel, not just in the celebrity news niche or posting videos about Diddy, this community will guide you with whatever it is that you want to do, which if you want to make money fast, it would be Diddy videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a good day.